Let's look at the first tool in the DevOps toolkit, Linux. What is Linux? Linux is a free and open source kernel first released by Linus Torvalds on September 17, 1991. It forms the core interface between a computer's hardware and its processors, communicating instructions to and from the central processing unit CPU and peripherals and executing processes. Unlike proprietary operating systems like Windows or Mac OS, Linux is developed collaboratively under the GNU General Public License GPL, meaning anyone can freely use, modify, and distribute it. The term Linux often refers not only to the kernel itself, but also to the wide array of Linux distributions distros that combine the Linux kernel with a selection of software packages to create complete operating systems. These distributions can vary widely in their focus and functionality, with some designed for general desktop use like Ubuntu, Fedora, and Mint, others for use on servers like CentOS, Debian, and Red Hat Enterprise Linux, and still others for specialized applications such as network security, digital forensics, and embedded systems. What to expect in the Linux interview. When interviewing for a DevOps engineer position focusing on Linux, expect questions that challenge your expertise in managing complex Linux environments, system optimization, troubleshooting, networking, security, and administration. 1. Linux system optimization. Kernel tuning. Be prepared to discuss how you've used sysctl for kernel parameter tuning to optimize system performance. Performance monitoring. Expect questions on tools like top, htop, vmstat, iostat, and SAR, and how you use them to identify and resolve performance bottlenecks. Resource management. Discuss strategies for managing system resources such as CPU, memory, and I/O, including cgroups and Linux OOM out-of-memory settings. 2. Advanced Linux troubleshooting. System recovery. You might be asked about times you've had to recover a Linux system from boot failures, kernel panics, or file system corruption. Log analysis. Be ready to explain how you analyze system and application logs to troubleshoot issues using tools like journalctl, dmessage, and log files in Vonlog. Network troubleshooting. Discuss your approach to diagnosing network issues on Linux, including using IP, netstat, SS, TCP-dump, and traceroute. 3. Networking and security. Firewall and packet filtering. Expect to answer questions about configuring and managing firewalls using IP tables, NF tables, or firewall. SSH hardening. Discuss methods to secure SSH, such as key-based authentication, changing default ports, and configuring SSHD options. See Linux and AppArmor. You should explain how you've used these security modules to enforce access controls and protect against vulnerabilities. 4. Linux administration and automation. Scripting and automation. Be prepared to discuss how you've automated routine tasks and deployments using shell scripts, Python, or other scripting languages. Package management. Expect questions on managing software and dependencies using package managers, apt, yum, DNF, and custom repository setups for package distribution. Service management. Discuss your experience managing services and daemons, including using systemd and initd scripts and creating custom service units for application management. 5. Storage and file systems. LVM and RAID. Be ready to explain how you've configured and managed Logical Volume Manager LVM and RAID arrays for performance and redundancy. Network file systems. Discuss your experience setting up and managing network file systems like NFS or Samba for shared storage solutions. Backup and recovery. Questions may cover backup strategies, tools like rsync, tar, dump, and restore, and disaster recovery planning. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more content like this, check out my book, Cracking the DevOps Interview. You can find the link in the description below.